We also have the physics program, which is chaired by Dr. Paul Withy, and we have a PG collaborative program with U of H, main campus, and we have an MS degree and a BS degree in physics. The faculty of the program include Dr. David Garrison, Dr. Samina Masood, Dr. Eric Mays, and Walter Thompson.
Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Withy, Chair of the Physics Program here at the University of Houston, Clear Lake. We offer both bachelor's and master's degrees in physics and are located in a new STEM facility, as you can see behind me. In the field of physics, you'll learn all the basic laws that govern every aspect of the entire physical universe. You'll learn about the fundamental laws of physics behind how equipment and all our modern technology work, and in addition, you'll study the quantum nature of the very small, molecules, atoms, subatomic particles, to the very large in putting together the pieces of the puzzle in our vast universe, stars, galaxies, the expanding universe, dark matter, and dark energy. Physics is a very versatile degree, with graduates typically finding employment in engineering, computer or information systems, other STEM fields, and even non-STEM areas where solving technical problems is regularly needed. Our graduates have readily found employment in these areas or successfully gained acceptance into a graduate program to continue their education. With our physics bachelor's degree, we have a general degree and specializations in engineering physics and in computational physics. Our general degree has the flexibility to enable you to complete a minor or a second major in another field. For example, several of our students complete a minor in astronomy or double major in both physics and mathematics. But we can assist you in tailoring your degree to include courses in any area of your interest. Biology and chemistry are examples, but even outside the sciences, like psychology or business. In our engineering physics specialization, you'll take extra courses in mechanical engineering, computer engineering, and systems engineering to learn about many of the applied engineering areas. For example, circuits, fluid mechanics, mechanics of materials, and more. It provides a great background for those who would like to work in the engineering field, but also have a deeper understanding of the physics behind the technology they'll use. Our specialization in computational physics focuses on developing the programming skills needed to create computational models, applying your knowledge of physics to simulate and study real physical systems. Computational modeling is being used by industry more and more, where large amounts of data need to be simulated and analyzed. Our master's degree is great for gaining more advanced knowledge in physics, increasing your position in industry, or preparing you to pursue a PhD. We have both thesis and non-thesis options, a professional science master's in technical management, and we have a collaborative PhD with the University of Houston. Our graduates have been successful in gaining employment, applying their physics knowledge, or positioning themselves for promotion in their employment through our technical management specialization, and in acceptance into PhD programs throughout the country. Research areas of the faculty include both theoretical physics areas, such as astroparticle, nuclear, and particle physics, quantum electrodynamics, supersymmetry, string theory, computational areas, such as cosmology and numerical relativity, and experimental areas, such as biochemical and plasma physics, infrared, spectroscopy, material science, and nanocomposites. We're located right next door to NASA Johnson Space Center and surrounded by aerospace and innovative companies you can partner with on research projects and potential future contacts. Thank you for listening, and we trust you will consider a UHCL physics degree to assist in furthering your personal and career goals.
So this here is our advanced physics lab at UHCL. It's in our new STEM building, and here students do a number of different types of experiments as well as laboratory work. And some of the equipment that we have, this right here is a scanning electron microscope capable of looking at things that are very small and determining their chemical composition. And right here we have an atomic force microscope, again, so you can measure the profile of materials and also study their strength a little bit. We get some idea of what the surface of the system looks like. Very good for studying at the nanoscale. Here we have a couple of RF generators, which is being used in our plasma physics research. New vacuum system right here, and we're going to be pumping up that and creating a plasma in that cavity. So that's a student project. And this is our condensed matter physics apparatus capable of studying cryogenics, low temperature, as well as high vacuum situations and studying materials. So you can see this is our lab. So you can envision yourself working in here someday if you choose to be a physics major at UHCL. Also behind this curtain we have the capability of complete blackout, and it's a laser safety curtain, so that we can do laser studies or anything that requires very, very low light. And that's our advanced physics lab. Thank you.
My name is Matthew Teal. I am alumni of the UHCL-PHYS Program. I embarked on a physics degree just out of pure interest and passion for natural phenomena, but I also always had the link in the back of my mind that these skill sets would provide many avenues into industry and real-life work experiences. So my justification for having a passion in something such as how everything worked on the deepest levels. Besides that, I also needed to more realistically think about how I could connect these skills to industry or academia, whichever route that you may go. What I have found, especially with UHCL being a smaller body of students, the benefits of that would be that the staff are very accessible and the class sizes are a bit smaller, and therefore the concentration that you receive from the staff members is much greater. As far as technical skills or management, whether engineering or project management, this degree plan will prepare you for both. It is very heavy in the emphasis of critical thinking, and that is something that I found myself really honing in on. I wanted to more so be able to think critically and think through technical papers. So for instance, I would go online and read a technical paper. The jargon and the math and the terminology would usually be over my head. So something like physics gave me the ability to at least go through a paper enough to ask the right questions. And this is exactly what my goal was. And when I was finished with the program, I found that my goal had been met. And as simple as that might sound, that actually translates to a vast amount of abilities and things that you can connect with in industry, whether it's in a conversation with a potential employer or whether it is thinking critically through how to position yourself in a job, connecting your skill sets to the correct needs of that company at this current time. You're prepared for all of this. The vicinity of the university is within reach of NASA and many other engineering companies that are in the surrounding area. This gives you access to many individuals in the area who are potentially employers. The professors, to even the student body, have connections to places like Boeing, Jacobs, and NASA, and that means that that network is also accessible to you. I found UHCL a very enriching and positive experience. And if you go in with or without a roadmap, you will have the assistance and the tools needed to carry out any goal. So, thank you.
Hello, my name is Pierre Avila, and I'm a multi-physics computational scientist working for the United States Navy. I'm also a 2016 graduate of the UHCL Master's Physics Program, and I personally recommend their program. During my time there, I found the professors to be very attentive to my needs as a student. The relationship they had fostered with the UH main campus physics department allowed me to take several electives with the main campus. Their close proximity in NASA Johnson Space Center allowed me to collaborate with a NASA scientist for a project for the Project Seminar course. I also found it very enjoyable and beneficial to help teach the Physics 1 and 2 laboratory courses, especially with the wide range of equipment they had available. And I took advantage of every spring semester the physics lecture series to network with scientists not only in the Houston area but across the nation in academia, industry, and from government labs. And personally, I met my now wife at UHCL, so I was really grateful to spend my graduate career at UHCL.